Hello guys, here is I have Revvl 8 and you can see this screen is cracked. I'm going to show you how to replace this screen. First we have to remove this back cover. Need to apply some heat. Also you can use alcohol to remove this back cover. So you apply heat and you can see easy to come out, and the back cover is plastic, so you don't have any risks to broken. Just lift it up with the hand. And now you're gonna remove all screw. This all screw are star screw, and also this Revvl 8. There is two kind of screen on the market. One is with the frame, one is without frame, and this one I'm going to show you with the frame one. And also this phone has a battery issue, so we're going to replace also battery. We almost removed this all screw. Now we're going to remove this SIM card tray, remove this SIM card, and now you're going to remove this back housing from SIM card place. We just lift it up with this knife. It's come out easily. It's not that hard to remove it. This side you have to carefully do it because there has a fingerprint and far bottom ribbon. We don't want to break that, so just slowly lift it up. I'll remove this back housing. Now you're gonna disconnect the fingerprint ribbon, and now you're gonna disconnect this battery connection and remove this screen and charging port connection. Remove this now front camera, and this is the back camera. We remove it. Now we're gonna remove this battery, lifting up this plastic and use some alcohol on side. You can remove easily when you use alcohol. And now we're gonna lifting up the battery with this blue plastic. It's a little bit hard to remove it. Just lifting up. If it's not come out like that, you can use plastic tools. Do not use steel tools. Steel tools sometimes get leaked and battery got burned. So do not use steel tools, just use plastic tools, or you can lift it up with this hand like that. I remove it, and this plastic we don't need it. And now we're gonna separate the charging port connection, and now we're gonna lift up the loudspeaker. Now we're gonna separate this charging port, disconnect the antenna connection. From this side we're gonna lift it up slowly and remove this charging port. You can see it's come out easily. Now we separate the motherboard from right side, just slowly lifting up. Now you're gonna remove this easily, just slowly lifting up. You see it's come out easily. We'll disconnect the motherboard. Now you're gonna lifting up the air speaker. Use some alcohol and slowly you're gonna lifting up the connection. This side we have to carefully lifting up. We don't wanna break this speaker. Now you're gonna lifting up this forward and bottom plaques. Use some alcohol and lifting up. You can see easily come out. This alcohol you can find on CVS Walgreen. It's just 99% alcohol, or you can find 70%, something like that alcohol you can find on CVS. Here is the new screen. We're gonna install back everything. First we're gonna install back air speaker. You can see it's easily attached. Previous glue has got the connection. And this side also previous glue is good. That's why we don't need to put extra glue there. Just press it down. Press it down there, and now you're gonna install the motherboard from left hand corner. Just we have to put it that side, left side, then just press it down. Yeah, from this side first, and now we're gonna install the vibration first, and then I'm gonna install the charging port from left side. Then the charging port connection I'm gonna install together, connection side. Now connect the charging port connection and put back the loudspeaker. Now install back the back camera and install back the front camera. Now I'm gonna connect the screen connection and charging port connection on the motherboard side. And press it down and looking at the plastic and organize the antenna. And there is one plastic top of that, so it's not gonna move. And now you're gonna connect to antenna connection. This antenna connection you can put down, black one you can put down under the charging port flags, but I just put it on top of that. It's not a big deal as long as connect to connection. And now you're gonna install back the new battery. The old battery is not good, so you're gonna put a new battery here, and now you're gonna connect the fingerprint flags connection and put back this back housing and press it down all side. You can see it's easy to attach with the screen and install back the SIM card tray. And all set here. Now you're gonna test it the screen before install. Put back all screw. It's turning on. You can see touch is working. Swipe up. All apps together. Now we're gonna put back all screw. This all screw is same steady screw. After that we're gonna put back this back cover. Bottom side also same screw. Already done all screw, and back cover you can see previous glue is very good and sticky. Some side doesn't have glue, previous glue, so we're gonna add it some extra glue. That is some extra glue that is missing the glue, so we just add it there, and that place has a glue, you don't need to put extra glue. And now you're gonna melt it the glue all side. Previous glue tape we just melt it, so it's gonna be attached good, already melted. And now just press it down all side. You can see it's easy to attach the original glue. Just press it down and you can see there is no gap on side. That's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and thank you for watching.